Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today let's discuss the movie recap niche. These are YouTube channels doing the movie recaps, and if you're thinking about doing or creating a channel doing movie recaps or want to know how much they make, let's find out. So in today's example, this is the channel Today's Movie Recap. It's got 75,000 subscribers with 200 videos. This channel is about 2.5 years old, and here are some of their most popular videos. It's mostly all over 10 minutes long, and of course they got pretty good thumbnails. Alright, let's check out some of the stats. In the last 7 days, this channel made $3,800 for 1.2 million views. In the last 30 days, it made about $10,500. Let's head over to Social Blade to check out some of the statistics for this channel, Today's Movie Recap, and here are the daily views. So daily views, last 30 days, 2.5 million views. But if you look at the stats here, there was a deletion of maybe some videos. About 1.5 million views were deleted, so this should have been maybe 4 million views for the last 30 days. So taking that into account, so $10,000 in the last 30 days. So between $2 to $4 per 1,000 views is what you can expect if you want to do a movie recap YouTube channel, which is pretty good. So I hope this gives you some ideas and about how much you can be making if you want to start a movie recap YouTube channel. You can come here and study this channel, see how they're doing it. This channel is making roughly $10,000 a month. Okay, thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more YouTube earning ideas. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.